In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Notion template. So in Notion, there's no official feature that makes specific pages that we create a template. So meaning once we create specific pages, automatically Notion will consider it as a template and can be used multiple times based on the purpose or based on the preference of the user. So basically, if we want to create a Notion template, we just simply create a page. So to do that, on the menu navigation on the left side bar of the screen, we simply navigate to private, and in private in here, we go to the hover icon, which is the plus icon which represents add a page. When you click this will then direct you to the whole interface of the page or the template. You start inputting the name, let's say template. Then after that, on the content space, you simply input all the necessary contents, information, and context about the template. Let's say this is a test template. Then you start adding blocks by providing or selecting on the options. You simply type slash. Then as you can see, we have various blocks option in here. So you can add anything in here based on the template that you would like to create. Let's say toggle list. And now we have successfully created a Notion template. So in here, you can simply provide all the necessary details and information, and you can use it multiple times and share it to other people depending on the visibility set on the settings. And that's about it. That's how to make a Notion template. If you have any question, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.